Here is a small sandwich dual form tip that honestly makes the process much easier. Are you tired going through the whole box and searching for the right size compartment? To understand what my tip is, keep on watching. I am Radina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and international nail educator at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy online. Instead of searching through every compartment each time, I write the numbers directly onto the box, and so I can find the right size immediately. It's much visible this way, and it works much better and speeds up your process. So when these sizes are clearly visible, like this one, becomes much faster to compare the different sizes, and you're not wasting time looking at compartments, and it just makes the whole process much easier. You don't get confused with which one it was which, and so on. So all I do is I take a Sharpie, and not all manufacturers put sizes. Like this one here it did not have any sizing. So all I did was, it takes a minute, it's very simple. You pick up the form from the certain compartment. We can see that this is a number 0, and I will write the number 0 here, and I'm going to complete making sure that I have the right number into each compartment. I'm going to double check whether they fit every compartment, and then I'm going to write the number. So this is another manufacturer, Mr. Nail. Here we have Mr. Nail. So they have actually put numbers for us, which is amazing, but they are hard to see because they're the same. The plastic is white, clear whitish, and then the numbers on the box are just the same, so it's very hard to notice. And if you were to write them like I have done just now, it's much easier. It speeds up the whole process, because if we have, let's say, a number 8, I have picked up one tip of number 8. I have tried it onto the client's nails. It does fit, but if I did not have these numbers, I might, especially beginners, they're confused with sizes and numbers, so I might miss and need to go into a couple of compartments until I find number 8 again. Or just size matching. It's much easier, much more effective, and faster. Is going to make your job much quicker, and to write the numbers on each box, it does not take more than 2 minutes. So it's small system like these ones, reducing confusion, and it makes the whole process, it makes it feel less overwhelming, especially if you are still learning sandwich dual forms. If your sandwich dual forms are still feeling difficult or inconsistent, I have a completely free mini masterclass that you can take online, where I explain most common mistakes and why they happen. Links in the description down below.